I chose this picture for the table because it just looks like cottage, but it could also be used for the boho look. Anyway, I like this one. I have some others. They look a little more farmhouse. I just think this is a good look. Now, I chose these because I also think they're a great cottage flower. And I'm just going to cut them down because they're way too long. And I know it looks nice to just let everything look like it's, you just picked it from the garden. I love that look. I also like, this is an apple blossom. And then I love this look too. It's a wilder type flower, which I think fits into a cottage because I think of a cottage as being in the country, and this looks like a country flower to me. So I'm thinking this would be the front because that's what I can see. And then I'm working a little lavender into this display. I just think it needs a little variety, something a little different. Now, I later will add something kind of wild looking, like wild, branches. I just don't have any right now. So that's the arrangement. I love it. Also, maybe this, I don't know. I have to get around and look from the other side. But that will be my cottage table arrangement. And I'm going to set the table up. And what I like about this white cottage is I can just change the look with the theme with a color. Keep the background white. I'm starting with these placemats. And I got these a long time ago at Pier 1, and I've used them with a lot of different displays, tablescapes. I also whitewashed a couple with watered down paint, and I have these that I painted with the same paint as the table. And I have these dishes, which are so basic. I love them. They have a little bit of a decoration around the edge. And here's my lavender again in my glasses. I don't know about this, but I'm going to see how it looks. I think I might like it. And then the napkins. Oh, let me move this over a minute. Oh, I should do this. There's so many ways to do napkins, of course, but I saw this in a nice resort I was in one time, and I just loved it. And it's real easy to do. Just do the corner like that, like a bandana, and then bring those to the end like that. Then turn it over. So you got like that, turn it over. And then you simply just like that. I don't know, I just like that look. It looks like, welcoming, I think. We fixed this special just for you. We folded this just for you. I like that. And if I'm not demonstrating it well, there's a lot of examples on Pinterest. And these, I will calculate the whole tablescape up for a later video, but even these dishes, they are nice china, but with a casual look, and they were $1. A store was going out of business, and my sister got them for me. And I have cups that go with them. I might try those on here, but this is a good basic look, I think, and it's very springy if that's a word. Looks like spring. I love it. I hope you like it too. And I hope it gives you some inspiration. This matte green and white is just so fresh.